WH questions are essential tools in English that help us gather information. They include who, what, where, when, why, and how. Each serves a unique purpose. Who asks about people. For example, who is your favorite author? What seeks information about things or ideas like what is your favorite book? Where inquires about places such as where do you live? When focuses on time like when is your birthday? Why digs into reasons, for instance, why do you love reading? Lastly, how explores methods or processes like how do you choose a book? Now let's get interactive. I want you to think of a WH question you'd like to ask someone. It could be about their hobbies, interests, or anything else. Share it with a partner or write it down. This practice will help you become more comfortable using these questions in conversation. Remember, WH questions are your keys to unlocking meaningful dialogues.